One of the things we've always loved using Windows software, aside from being able to open multiple pages and actions the way we showed you earlier, is the ability to use keyboard shortcuts. The new modern client has a comprehensive list of keyboard shortcuts, so many that you would need to go in through the Tell Me and take a look and see what all the options are. I personally only use a handful of these on a day-to-day basis, but every user will have different preferences on what they want to do in terms of using your keyboard to make your life quicker in terms of navigating across the system. One of my favorites, for example, out here is the Alt Q, and the Alt Q gets you into the Tell Me window from everywhere in the system. And we should also point out that if you're inside a page, like your journal entry page, the Alt Q will also show you the actions inside that page, so you don't spend a lot of time fishing around for them. Let's look at some of my favorite keystrokes in the system. If I'm sitting in a journal, you know you can hit the dots here and do the select more to select multiple rows where I can click them individually. However, in a Windows environment, I'm used to holding the Shift key down arrow, and select records, or using the Control key and just clicking on a record. So you can now use those familiar Windows actions to select data, as well as hit, for example, the Control C key to copy into my clipboard, jump over into Excel, and do a Control V and paste the data in. You can also take this data and you could actually create multiple lines of information and take the modified information. I'm not going to do that right now, and copy and paste them straight back into your journal. It's a lot of control, copy, paste capabilities that come inherently with the system. Let's talk some of my other favorite keys. The Alt Q, as I mentioned earlier, I'm sitting inside the journal page and I've kind of forgotten where the post action is. And I've just entered the word post and it'll show you those actions, post and preview posting, that are on the current page, as well as the way, the word post appearing everywhere else in the system. So it's very easy for you to find things if you've kind of forgotten that the post actions are actually under the post action menu up here. Some of my other keystrokes are the what we always used to call the support key, and that's Control Alt F1, which I can enter here, but I can also go to my help system and go to help and support and use the page inspector in the system, inspect pages and data. And the reason this is called a support key, you all know that there's a lot of other information sitting behind this record in the system. With the page inspector, that does take a little while to open up. You can actually see all the data that's sitting underneath that record that you don't necessarily see. The reason we call this support keys, we'll often use this to see what's going on behind the scenes, behind the transaction you're working on. The other pieces of information that are very useful here, it tells you the page number that we're on, page 39, and the underlying table. This is especially useful, for example, when you're using something like Jet Reports and you want to understand where the data exists behind something you're seeing on the page in front of you. You're also able to come in here and say View Table, and what they'll do is open up a window that'll give you a browse view of all the data sitting in that underlying table. So I'm now looking at the data sitting in my journal entry table across all my different batches and templates. Again, very useful for diagnosis and debugging and just giving an idea of what's going on behind the scenes. So I love the Page Inspector. It's always been one of our treasured tools to help our customers and diagnose and figure out what's going on in the system, especially when we get errors and so on. So again, you'll find many, many, many keys in the system, and every person will have their own favorites. So we urge you to check out the shortcuts, the help. You can actually reach this help right now for keyboard shortcuts by going straight to Business Central help for keyboards, but you'll be getting a list of these links shortly as well.